hugs and hugs.
A is for apple, A, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. The alphabet is fun to sing, learning letters, everything. Come along and sing with me, from A to Z, so easily. I is for ice, ice. J is for jam, jam. K is for koala, koala. L is for lion, lion. M is for moon, moon. N is for nest, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, Q, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for triangle, triangle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for water, water. X is for x-ray, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. The alphabet is fun to sing, learning letters, everything. Come along and sing with me, from A to Z, so easily.
We really hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and to add this video to your playlist. We also have plenty more videos to check out on our page. Bye for now.